Kia ora PCS whānau, welcome to Term 4. I know you'd rather be here at school, I'd rather you were here at school as well, but we're in lockdown, so we have to stay home and stay safe. Now I know you might be missing your actual classroom, so I thought for this video today that I would pop into a few of your classrooms just to see them. Let's see if we pop into yours. We'll be carrying on with the Life as We Know It module. You'll be learning about lots of different types of animals. The habitats of different animals, what different types of animals eat, animals that live in only Aotearoa New Zealand, maybe even how different animals adapt to their surroundings. It's really important to do lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of reading while you're at home. And also, don't forget to practice your maths basic facts. Don't forget to take good care of your family. Lots of smiles, do your chores, and of course, don't forget to do the schoolwork that gets sent home to you. And of course, it's always nice to make mum or dad a cup of tea, maybe even breakfast in bed. Now if your mum, dad, or auntie, uncle, grandma, granddad, big brother, big sister, whoever's been looking after you and helping out with your schoolwork, make sure you give them a great big massive thank you, okay? Because they deserve it. Now if someone in your family's been going to work during lockdown, then on behalf of PCS, thank you guys. You've been helping to keep our city moving. Of course, don't forget about your teachers. They've been working really hard and learning lots of new skills so they can teach you via distance learning. Make sure you say thanks to them as well, okay? Anyway, it's time for me to go. Hopefully we'll all be back at school soon and we'll be able to see each other in person. That'll be great. Until then, stay safe and we'll see you later. Bye.